Hey guys, just giving you guys a rundown of my equipment I got and used to test out batteries. See, these are some Sony batteries. When it comes to capacity, it's 2358, 2400, 2391, and 2325. That's a good capacity for
Yeah,
these
but if you
batteries.
just put it in Skype, you can just copy and paste it.
All batteries are charged at 4.2 volts. These batteries have just come out.
There
For
you go,
example, these are
Facebook here.
3600 milliamp hours. And they got 2523 with an internal resistance of 103 milliohms. It's really good. You want to have lots of batteries. Each one of these cases can hold 91. It's a good amount of
The
batteries.
crystal.
You have lots of them.
How do I freaking
And then you
sign
want
in?
to have brackets like so. So it's as easy as this. When you want to stick batteries in. And this will hold 20. So in just a minute here, I can show you roughly. Put 20 batteries in. I'm gonna be getting a camera stand, as everybody always says. They're handy. They're using my Gopro. Probably be better videos, anyways.
Have you posted it yet?
So this is just to give you guys an idea of,
What information?
with these brackets, this is as easy as it is to set up a battery pack. So this is important.
Okay, I thought you already posted it. That's why I asked you if you posted it yet. Then you said, "Sorry, just type it." And I'm going, what do you mean, just type
Okay, so
it?
now we'll grab another one. I have lots of them. So another 4x5. Stick it upside down. On top. A little bit of finessing. Line up some of these cells. Just like that. So now you have 18650 cells aligned. You got 20 of them. 4 this way, 5 this way. Now, let's say you want more than 20 cells. Let's say you want a 40 cell pack. Take another one of these. I'm not going to go through the whole deal, but give you guys an idea how these brackets work and how they make your life
What
pretty
link?
easy. Okay, so stick this like this on the edge,
No.
push them down, flip that puppy over,
No, I'm on Dean.
and now it's joined.
I believe so.
Got some
I
speakers
know.
for you.
I'm not a freaking Facebook guru here, man.
So you add another 20 batteries beside that, and you can keep going. 20, 40, 60, 80.
There, I will be links. Okay, I had to go here.
So let's say you're
It's
getting
just
started
www.youtube.com.
and you want to add some singles. I got singles, I got doubles,
The video is unavailable. Sorry about
I
that.
even have a few triples. These ones, this is a double and a triple. And then I'll give you another example. You can just click these on. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Hi guys, just giving you guys a rundown of my equipment I got and used to test out batteries. See, these are some Sony batteries. Here comes the capacities: 2358, 2400, 2391, and 2325. That's a good capacity for those batteries. They're rated at 2500. Batteries are charged at 4.2 volts. These batteries have just come out. To give you an example, these are rated for 2600 milliamp hours. And I got 2523 with an internal resistance of 103 milliamps. It's really good. You want to have lots of batteries. Each one of these cases can hold 91.
I made it 3 inches by 3 inches. It seemed like it was too big on the other page, so I shrunk it down from 5 inches to 5 inches. Try this one. This one's a little bit bigger.
Stick batteries in.
There's a problem sending the file.
And this will hold 20. So in just a minute here, I can show you roughly.
There was a problem sending this file.
Just put 20 batteries in.
No, sorry about that. Negative.
Maybe getting camera standing, as everybody always says.
Spinning. There we go.
They're using my Gopro. It'll be better videos anyway.
Spinning. There we go.
So this is just to give you guys an idea of that.
You could hear me saying things like in a 30-second delay or something. Like I'm going to hear this in a minute.
So this is important.
You could hear
Push them all down.
me say. You don't want a delay on it though, do you?
20 batteries beside that, and you can keep going. 20, 40, 60, 80. Not a problem. So, let's say you're getting fancy.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter. It's not like I'm going to be watching it
some
as
singles.
we're doing it.
I got singles, I got doubles. I even have a few triples.
No, I can't.
These ones, this is a double and a triple. And then I'll give you another example. You can just click these on.
I can hear you again, but I can hear me too. So should I be
Just
copying
giving you
that
guys a
link
rundown of my equipment I got and used
into that
to
thing?
test
Is
out
that the link
batteries.
I would copy?
See, these are some Sony batteries. When it comes to capacity, it's 2358, 2400, 2391, and 2325. So that's a good capacity for those batteries. They're rated at 2500.
Hello, hello,
Batteries are
hello,
charged at
hello, hello,
4.2 volts.
hello. I don't hear me.
These batteries have just come out. Give you an example, these are rated for 2600 milliamp hours.
Oh, wait. You know, I can hear it.
2523 with an internal resistance of 103
You can hear it now. It was longer delay than I thought.
It's really good. Now I have lots of batteries. Each one of these cases can hold 91. It's a good amount of batteries. I have lots of them. I have brackets like so. So it's as easy as this when you want to stick batteries in. One-handed. And this will hold 20. So in just a minute here I can show you roughly. Just throw 20 batteries in. I'm going to be getting a camera stand, as everybody always says. They're handy. Start using my Gopro. Probably do better videos anyways. So this is just to give you guys an idea of that. You know, with these brackets, this is as easy as it is to set up a battery pack. So this is important. Just push them all down nice and flat. Remove my Xbox controller. Okay, so now we'll grab another one. I have lots of them. So,
pick a category, discussion or made discussion? I guess discussion, eh?
On top.
Looks good.
Finessing. Line up some of these cells. Just like that. So, now you have 18650 cells aligned. You got 20 of them. 4 this way, 5 this way. Now, let's say you want more than 20 cells. Let's say you want a 40 cell pack.
It's 26,000 members. Somebody's got to be online. They might go, hey man, I gotta go check that out.
I'm not going to go through the whole deal, but give you guys an idea how these brackets work and how they make your life.
I want to talk about SketchUp on here, obviously. You know, so hey, hey, somebody's actually doing something. Let's go check it out.
Flip that puppy over. And now it's joined. Got. Try to get this in focus for you. So, you got another 20 batteries beside that, and you can keep going. 20, 40, 60, 80. Not a problem. So, let's say you're getting fancy and you want to add some singles. I got singles, I got doubles, I even have a few triples. These ones, this is a double and a triple. And then I'll give you another example.
You go on the thing and +1 it.
You can just click these on.
I told him we'd be online at about 6 o'clock to around 12. So we got a half hour.
Hey guys, just giving you guys a rundown of my equipment I got and used to
Do you want me to
test
edit
out
it? How do I
batteries.
edit it?
See, these are some Sony batteries. When it comes to capacities, 2358, 2400, 2391, and 2325. So that's a good capacity for those batteries. They're rated at 2500. All batteries are charged at 4.2 volts. These batteries have just come out. Give you an example, these are rated for 2600 milliamp hours. And I got 2523 with an internal resistance of 103 milliohms. It's really good. Now I have lots of batteries. Each one of these cases can hold 91. It's a good amount of batteries. I have lots of them. I have brackets like so. So it's as easy as this. When you want to stick batteries in, one-handed, and this will hold 20. So in just a minute here I can show you roughly. Just throw 20 batteries in. I'm going to be getting a camera stand, as everybody always says.
Shocky, isn't it?
They're handy. Start using my Gopro. Probably do better videos anyways. So this is just to give you guys an idea of that. You know, with these brackets, this is as easy as it is to set up a battery pack. So this is important. Just push them all down nice and flat. Remove my Xbox controller. Okay, so now we'll grab another one. Try that one with me. I have lots of them. So another 4x5. Stick it upside down. Stick it on top. A little bit of finessing. Line up some of these cells. Just like that. So now you have 18650 cells aligned. You got 20 of them. 4 this way, 5 this way. Now, let's say you want more than 20 cells. Let's say you want a 40 cell pack. Take another one of these. I'm not going to go through the whole deal, but just give you guys an idea how these brackets work and how they make your life pretty easy. Okay, so stick this like this on the edge, push them down, flip that puppy over, and now it's joined. Got, try to get this in focus for you. So you add another 20 batteries beside that and you can keep going. 20, 40, 60, 80, not a problem. So let's say you're getting fancy and you want to add some singles. I got singles, I got doubles, and I even have a few triples. These ones, this is a double and a triple. And then I'll give you another example. You can just click these on, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand.
Do what you gotta do. So we're going to be running SketchUp on your
Hi guys,
computer?
just giving you guys a rundown of my equipment I got and use to test out batteries. See, these are some Sony batteries.
Why would we have to?
When it comes to capacities, 2358, 2400, 2391, and 2325.
Well, if I'm playing it on your screen, can't you just do a screenshot of tell your whatever it is to one of those windows to be the team viewer window, and then it will be seeing what I'm doing?
These batteries have just come out. Give you an example, these are rated for 2600 milliamp hours.
You can watch me doing SketchUp easily. It plays smoothly, doesn't it? When it's through Team Viewer.
Resistance of 103 milliohms.
Okay.
It's really good. Now I have lots of batteries. Each one of these cases can hold 91. It's a good amount of batteries.
Okay.
I have lots of them. I have brackets, like so.
Well, it's a little awkward.
So it's as easy as this.
Not as
when
quick.
You want to stick batteries in.
It's just not as fluid, you know what I mean? It's a little more awkward.
20. So in just a minute here, I can show you roughly. Just put 20 batteries in.
Well, let me join you so I can see what you're doing at least. And what number are you again? 364? For Team Viewer? I have no idea how you did that. It's asking me for a partner ID. It doesn't say make it a Google password or anything. It's partner ID. I'm trying to connect to you. I need your partner ID number. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They could be. Wonder if they're from. Yeah, you should say so. How do you know?
What's going on, everybody? We're just trying to get the stream set up, so sorry if this is our first time doing this, so we're trying to make it so you guys can see everything and cameras and stuff like that. So people that are in here right now, sorry about that, but we gave the link to an unlisted live stream while we weren't sure what to do. So you guys got the link, but it's still unlisted until about 7 o'clock till we go live. So if you want to hang out and chat and figure out what we're up to, then yeah, we'll try and read the chat while we're getting this set up.
Mine's just spinning right now. It's not showing a video.
It's not showing a video.
It's not letting me say anything. All messages will send them. Create a channel to join the chat. How do you create a channel?
You don't want to create a channel.
Oh, I know.
Just trying to check my email so I can freaking team viewer, blah 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 blah. Show pictures. Add the trusted devices. Your account was used to source add device. You can sign in now. Oh man, it's gonna make me retype it. Is my sound coming through to you?
Yeah, it is now. What? How come I can't type a message? It says say something. Every time I hover over it, says create a channel to join the chat.
You sure you're clicking in the right spot? You gotta click right on say something.
As soon as I hover it over it, it changes there. It says create a channel to join the chat.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Giggity, 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 giggity. Go to channel. What the hell?
You can't just send a smiley face or nothing?
Five are watching now.
What's going on, guys?
Chat. Six.
What's going on, guys? Fucking microphone sounds like it's blowing out too.
Six are on there now. Funny thing is, too, I can hear myself talk.
I know we gotta figure out how to stop that.
What the?
With Wix.com, you can create your own stunning website.
So connect to me.
Oh, sorry. What was your ID?
226-735-144.
Oh my God. You're on a newer version than me.
I'm on TeamViewer 12.
Oh my God. These guys are probably laughing at us.
Seven watching now.
You gotta make so they can't hear us.
Why? They're hanging out with us, man. That's good. I don't mind. If they type, I'll type back to them. Try to, anyways. They want to see this GoPro mount. That's what they want to see. So I'll give you guys a rundown of what we're going to be up to once we can get into it. We're going to be making a GoPro housing that houses some recycled laptop batteries. And we're going to make a light ring and make it so basically the GoPro will power up from the batteries and the light ring will power up and it goes on a GoPro mount. And hopefully it turns out like what we want and you guys can sit through and watch us design it right from scratch. We're going to take some measurements of batteries, measurements of the GoPro. We'll go to Thingiverse and download a few things to start with and make things a little easier. And we'll just kind of cut and paste everything together. And then I'm going to 3D print it. We can throw that video up on the channel. And you guys are more than welcome to come check out the channel and like the videos and subscribe and help out the channel grow more. That'd be sweet.
I need that number again.
It's 226-735-144.
Nine 7X.
Yeah.
Oh man, can you type me the password?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was doing wrong. Oh my god, how is that invalid use?
Try just a no capital maybe.
Oh my god. 226-735-144.
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, we're gonna wait for 9 seconds.
Oh. Hold on, everybody. We're just trying to get the stream set up, so sorry if you're. This is our first time doing this, so we're trying to make it so you guys can see everything in the cameras and stuff like that. So okay, I just made the password. I didn't do it on this computer. I thought it would do it across all the computers, but.
Did you use a cap?
No.
You got a lot of lag on that, eh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Is my sound coming through to you?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. I can't type a message. It's just to say something. Every time I hover over, it says create a channel to join the chat.
You sure you're clicking in the right spot? You gotta click right on say something.
As soon as I hover over, it changes where it says change, create a channel to join the chat.
You see that?
Yeah.
Noobs. Okay, let's try and get this set up right here.
Smiley face or nothing?
How do we get the Skype to stay up, force it to stay on top? How do you do that? Or can I just add Skype to the stream so you don't have to see it? Hold on, let me try that.
I can see me there.
Yeah, but okay, I'm gonna shut my video off to you so that your video is there, and then I'm gonna go like this and add my video by just accessing my webcam as a feed. Why can't it connect to the camera? What the hell? Camera isn't available. Come on. Why is the camera preview not available? Oh, it's still working in here, that's why. Skype was still... There we go. So we're going to do it like this. We put this here. Now we'll put this. Will that be in the way for you, Dean? You might not be able to see it yet. How can we do that?
Not sure what you're trying to do. So.
Get the cameras overlaid. Yes. How can I force the Skype window to be always on top?
Mm.
Let's do it a little bit differently. So you're going to be running in a window that's basically
It's confusing from my end.
yeah, hold on. That media file, where did that one go? You sent it to me, I put it where? It's this thing.
So you're basically just sharing your desktop?
I'm sharing my desktop. I'm trying to arrange the desktop so it shows everything and I'm capturing the whole desktop. So I got it set up where your camera, my camera, and then that thing you made. It looks like it's working.
Yeah, it looks okay.
Hey, you see that? You see the two cameras and then the YouTube live stream?
Mm-hmm.
So as long as you don't move anything around.
You're like on minimum tools here, eh? You had
Minimum
to
tool.
you just reinstalled it, right?
Yeah.
So you don't have all your extensions.
Just go through it and do that right now. I'm going to go make a copy.
I'm not sure what extensions I'm going to need right offhand.
Can't you just go into your extensions folder and drag and drop them to me? They're not that big.
I'm not sure. It'd probably be easier just to download them from the internet.
Yeah, but I mean, all the ones you have are the ones you're going to use if you're looking for them. Just find the extensions folder. It downloads a copy of each one. Actually, that looks like it's working good.
We're going to need a solid inspector anyways. I use that a lot.
Yeah. It's pretty cool how we got people that come in just from that Google Plus, right?
Yeah. I assume that's.
It's unlisted, so
I
that's the
noticed.
only way.
I noticed I had it running twice on my computer. As soon
Did
as I
you?
shut it, yeah, as soon as I shut one of them down, it went down a number. I don't know how I had it running twice.
Why don't you turn your speakers down so that you're not like I'm hearing myself, yourself come back through or whatever? Is it because you've got your speakers too loud? It's just in a loop.
I don't know. That's why I was wondering where it was coming from because I got the thing playing, right?
It might be
And
just the way the XSplit's taking my computer sound and using it for the feed. Because when I play music, if I've got the XSplit running a video and then I watch a YouTube video that has sound to the system, it adds it to the stream over top of the stream. So that's why I need to buy the professional version of it so I get the control. It's only you that I hear because you're coming through my system sound, which is picking up.
But what's weird though is have the video turned down. I'm gonna fucking turn that down there.
You're not getting my point. Your sound coming through Skype is part of my system sound, which it's picking up. Like when the level on Skype goes up, that's actually transferring into the XSplit.
Yeah, I just turned it down, so I'm just using my headphones now. It's not screwing me up. I hate when you can hear yourself after you talk.
Definitely. Well, you don't have to watch the live stream, eh?
I know. But if somebody posts a question, you want to be able, oh man, you have to answer it, no?
Yeah.
I'm hoping some, oh man, what is the password? Oh, fuck off.
Well, that's
You
good.
remember where your Google one is?
Which one?
So get into frickin' Trimble here.
Yeah, that's my other car.
I can fix.
In the Thingiverse? Or Trimble?
Yes. Thing. I want to download that extension.
With the chat, you can pop it out, eh? You can tell it to pop the chat window out, and because I got that second computer sitting to the side, I have it running the YouTube dashboard, so I can see the analytics and the chat and everything in full screen without it affecting this computer. That's actually cool. It gives me a little console.
Can you see the people that are on or no? If they are?
Do you still have a stream going?
Yeah, it says there's 3 watching now, but
Yeah, there's us two plus someone else.
shouldn't you see their name or anything?
No, you don't get to see that unless they chat.
Oh. I see.
You can see what stream they're doing, like if they got a good stream going or not. You can go see the analytics on like the connection they got to you.
I see. They can hear us.
Yeah, they can see us. What's going on? My name's Shannon. Dean's right above me, so I'll point up. He should be right above me. And we're like the Brady Bunch, you know? We just need more squares. We could do Skype conference calls where the other people can join in and talk to us and hang out. I don't mind. If we can get it going and figure it out, why not? Oh shoot, I got a live view going on this computer. That's why there's 3.
Did you shut it down?
Yeah, I shut it down. It takes a
Still
second.
says 3.
It takes a second.
Okay, so where are we starting on this? We're going to start with the size of the battery, I guess, eh?
What's
Get
that?
out your,
Well, we
get
can
out your,
just download from the warehouse. People already modeled 18650s. There's already shit.
it's just a 2. Just need to know the size. What is it? 18,
Thanks, baby.
650?
Thanks, Sissy, because I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything?
No.
Yeah, 18650.
as long as they did it to size. Sometimes I find that happens. Sometimes you freaking download somebody's thing and it's not the size.
Measure it. I'll just double check. I just don't want to have to spend the time drawing it, that's all.
It is 18.399758 millimeters. So 18 millimeters. By
This is 18.28 by
64 in the hair.
64.3. No, it's 8. Yeah. So, yeah, that's right.
This is 64.0.
Yeah, it's just a tiny bit longer than that. It's going to be in spring, so it'll be fine.
Okie dokes. So there's the battery.
I'm gonna put this live.
Yeah.
It is now public.
Da, 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 da. That seemed to have worked though, eh?
What?
With the other thing.
What other thing?
In the SketchUp thing. On that Google Plus.
Oh, yeah. Definitely. I'm gonna go into Google Plus right now and One Plus it.
Can you edit it? I guess you can, eh?
What? No. I can reply to it and copy and paste it and share it to my Google Plus.
Yeah.
I tried doing a Star Wars one. I seen a Star Wars deleted scene that just popped up, and it
Just
was
rewatching now.
nice. Hello, how's it going? If you guys say something, we'll know your name. I'm Shannon. Dean's above me.
We need a good GoPro here to base it on.
Previously on the Vampire Diaries, you left your son.
One lesson. Share it. Google Plus. Share it. Okay. Membered communities. I gotta go put it in some camera. Yeah. Data files. And I'm just hammering all the different things I'm part of. I'm signed up to a whole bunch of them. Pasting that link in them all. I got drone ones. I got fucking YouTube ones.
Don't you have a good GoPro case?
Yeah,
It prints good already.
yeah,
You know where it is?
yeah. It's in the Shannon folder copy. No.
Which drive?
E. Mount or I don't know, GoPro Dean. I don't know. There's a couple of them in there. Man, I've moved so much stuff around. That might just be the mount stuff.
My streams froze.
Frozen?
Yeah.
Let me take this mouse for a second.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's dropping a lot of frames right now. It's not getting the bandwidth it needs. What the hell? Does anything for it? It's 6 o'clock. Everybody's online. They told me I'm going to be experiencing. It's not the best time to be friggin' streaming. What the hell? There we go.
Whoa. This was made like super big.
Yeah. How's it going? I'm Shannon. This is Dean. Is above me. You guys want to chill out? We're making a GoPro mount. It's going to hold the GoPro. It's kind of like the acrylic case here, but it's going to be bigger. It's going to have some 18650 batteries. Here, let me change the light here. Make it a little brighter.
It's up 1,000%.
So yeah, we're going to make it so there's like 4 batteries along the back, circuit board underneath, charge cord that comes off the circuit board. It's going to come up. You're going to have a little cable that comes out of the front of the mount. You just plug it into the side of your GoPro and slide it into the front of the one we're designing. It'll have an LED light ring around the outside edge.
Hey, it's just me and you in here right now.
But it's recording.
Oh, that's true. So, are we gonna be able to use this case?
I don't know, but let's run. We gotta talk about it first. So basically, it's gonna be. You see my camera view? But anyways, 4 batteries probably standing up on its end. Doom, 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 doom. And then there'll be a cavity underneath for the circuit board. We'll be able to have exposed USB charge port out the side, USB actual cable out the end, and then a soldered line that comes through the housing to the front that the GoPro can click in and then slide in, remember?
Mm-hmm.
And then the buttons have to be extended to the outside of the frame on the top and side one. The front one's fine. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. Oh, it needs the spots for the flashlight.
So we gotta be able to get to the USB here. Plug in the wire, right?
That's not accurate. That's not how the buttons are or whatever.
No?
No.
I think this said this was the Hero 4 or something. That's what yours is, isn't it?
It's not the right dimensions, I can tell you that right now. Hero 4 black, that's it right there.
This one?
Yeah.
To scale. Open, download. Yes. It's the scale, alright. It's tiny. Bring it up 100%. Bring it up 100% because working in SketchUp for some reason doesn't like working small. You end up getting more errors. If you bring it up to the 100%, makes it huge, but it works a lot better. Have major problems.
Just a little trick, eh?
Yeah. You'll find your solid tools and things work a lot better. So there's 2 ports on the side. You're just going to want to be getting into the USB port. That's the one on the bottom. Oh, that's the top. Well, that's HDMI. The bottom one's USB, right?
Yeah.
We need to get to the power button.
No, the power button is accessible. We need to get to
Well,
the.
the mode button. The mode button.
That'll be sticking out the front, so that one's clear. It's the side and the top button that we gotta create access for to push while it's in there. This way you don't have to take it in and out. They did a good job at modeling it.
Yeah. Always nice to have a good model to start with. Working with something like this.
Yeah, making things a lot quicker.
So, you're not going to be able to use this, right?
Probably not.
Get rid of that. My video's frozen again. Okay, well, what do I gotta do here? What do I gotta do here, Shannon? First, we gotta start where?
First, we gotta start with a block.
That's housing what? 4 batteries?
Yeah. So stand 4 batteries up side by side. Actually, look up and see if they have battery trays. This way we can cut the chunk out where it's got the spots where they go side by side and it keeps them separated, you know?
$16.50?
18,650.
What? 1816 battery tray.
I would have put 18,650 battery tray. Or
Well, that's what this
18,650.
came up.
I know, but
Dual.
you put the major criteria as the least popular. If you just type in 18,650, there'll be a shit ton of shit for batteries.
Oh, kink in the neck.
Just one, eh?
One thing. Just one. Well, how long would 2 batteries run this thing for?
Well, you got the flashlight, right? So that runs for about 3 hours on high, and it's gonna have 2 of them. That's on 1 battery, so 4 would be really good as a good power pack. It would run the camera and the light for a long time.
Is it good?
Very good. Thank you.
Whoa.
Sissy, Daddy said it was good.
Very good.
Why is that close to this thing's good, right? It always amazes me how much bigger it gets. One thing I can't see is when I type in a figure.
You need to get more stuff for your drawer.
I know.
You only have jubes and beef jerky.
Guess that's space for spring.
The stream's not even streaming right now. It's red. What the hell?
Don't know, man.
Just went stream resume, stream offline. Fuck. That kind of sucks. Try, guys. I'm gonna have to upgrade my internet.
Mhm.
There's only one level higher when it comes to getting increase in your upload, and that's where I need it. I got good download.
I thought you said you could stream like you're not still streaming that other thing, are you?
No, the problem is my
Where are
connection's
you?
going up and down. 1 minute it's streaming at 1 meg, next minute it's streaming at 200 kilobytes. It's going all over the place. Like it's not staying stable. Yeah, stream's going again, but no, pausing.
That's good.
No,
Dad, use the bathroom?
no, I'm good, babe. It's not good at all.
No, it's not good.
Kind of defeats the purpose.
It does.
I didn't do enough uploading before to notice it. Even the download's not going that good. I'm only testing at 8.4 megabits right now. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm only testing 1.4 megabits when it's usually 15 upload. It's 1/10 of its speed right now. That's why. That's why it's having a hard time. Now it's uploading at 1.4 meg and then back down to fucking 400, 200. It's fucking up and down. That's nuts. Yeah, the stream's not it's not powerful enough right now for the stream. Let me at least record this with Camtasia. Hold on a second. Might as well get the added factor of that for now. We don't lose it, right? Okay, go ahead. Let's try that. It's the I'm gonna put it full screen here. See what it looks like at that rate. Do I have anything going right now, like uTorrent or anything? This can shut down. This can shut down. Oh, shut down. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, that's fine. Just trying to. I can't see my face. What's on your mind anymore?
I don't know. Where? Facebook?
Google Plus. That post I did on Google Plus. Can't see your own, maybe? I don't know. What the hell?
I'm not sure.
What the hell? Where the hell did it go?
I'm gonna try. You there?
Hey, you're going through my phone for some reason.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll call you back.
Okay. Oh, you came through my tablet. Skype.
All right. Opening.
Hey,
Hey,
video's not coming on.
my video. $200K. I was supposed to be done uploading at 3,000 right now. This was doing 200. It's doing 23. Like it's nothing. It's dropping so much frames. I got like nothing. I'm gonna restart my computer. I'm gonna have to see if that works. I don't know. It's dropping more frames than it's